Noah is done eating, and so now he's going to have his outdoor bath, and he loves to play with the water. Yay! Water time! Water time! Yay! This is my favorite time of the day. I just wish I could grab it better. It's so slippery.
Grab the water, Noah. Grab it.
Come on, get it. Oh, that's funny on my toe. This is perfect because the water sits in the chair there with him.
His face is kind of dirty still. Yay! Whoa!
There we go. Oh, get some grass while we're at it.
How long should I go for?
That's where we can say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Grandpa, Grampy, Grandma.
Bye.